Hello everyone. This lecture is part of a preview to my Microsoft Excel course on Udemy. The course is called Practical Microsoft Excel Masterclass. If you like this lecture, do check out the full course on Udemy. The link has been provided in the description below. Also provided in the description below is a coupon code. The first few students who use the coupon code can access the course for free. If you decide to take the course, I request you to please leave behind a review. In this lecture, we are going to be working with custom date formats. So a cell in Excel contains the number 44,198.51, which actually is supposed to represent the date time 2nd of January 2021, 12:17 p.m. So we are required to change the format of the cell so that the date is displayed as the following date time formats. So there are three formats that have been given here. As I have already pointed out in another lecture, Excel understands dates in terms of numbers, and the number essentially represents the number of days between the given date and the beginning of the 20th century, that is 1/1/1900. Formats are only used to display the number in a certain way so that it becomes readable to a human. For example, the number 44,198 is how Excel understands the value in the background. However, we can change the format so that to us, when we read it, it is displayed as 2nd of January 2021 at 12:17 p.m. or so on. So the format is just to increase readability and understanding, whereas the value in the background and the calculations are all based on this number. With that, let's dive right into the solution to this problem. So I have here in row 6 the actual number, and in rows 7, 8 and 9 the format in which I would like to change the number. So first of all, let's copy the number to the remaining cells and change the format one by one. So in row 7, I want the format to be in this form. I want it to be day hyphen month hyphen year. For all of these, we can use the custom formats that are available in Excel. So I can right click, go to format cells, or I can simply press Ctrl 1. So this gives me the format cells dialog box. I can go to custom formats, and in the type, I can type in whatever is the format that I'm looking for. Here I'm looking for 2 digits of date, so I'll give it as DD, then a hyphen, then 2 digits of month, I can give it as MM. If I give 3 M's, it changes to the text form, and if I give it as 4 months, it changes to the full text form. So since we just want 2 digits of the month in terms of number, I will give it as MM. And then finally, I need 4 digits of the year, so YY 4 times, and then click OK. As you can see, the format has been changed to 02/01/2021. Let's do the same for the next one. So here we don't want the date to be displayed, rather we just want the time to be displayed as 12:17 p.m. So Ctrl 1, go to custom format. We want to start with 2 digits of the hours. So H is represented by hours. Then we want a colon, and then 2 digits of the minute. So MM. And finally, we also want this to not be in military time. We want this to be in AM PM time. So I can provide AM/PM. And as you can also see that from the preview, what we are going to expect as a result. So okay. And finally the third one, here we want to represent this as 12:17 o'clock 02/01/21. So let's do that. Control 1, go to custom. So I want to start here with the time, hours, minutes, and this o'clock as a text I can pass in here, O clock, and then we want 2 digits of the day, so DD, a hyphen, 2 digits of the month, so MM, a hyphen, and finally we want just 2 digits of the year, so instead of 4 Ys I will just give 2 Ys. And from the preview you can see this is what we were expecting. So there you go. That is how we can work with custom date formats. These date formats are going to be very useful in displaying dates in whichever way we want them to be displayed. Keep in mind that changing the format does not change the value behind it, rather just the way the value gets displayed to the user.